Green Bay Packers starting cornerback, Jaire Alexander, has been downgraded to a non-participant in Thursday's practice, following an ankle injury sustained during Wednesday's practice session. According to reports, Alexander was forced to leave early on Wednesday after rolling his ankle. Due to his injury, Alexander was unable to partake in Thursday's practice, increasing concerns about his availability for upcoming games. Packers defensive coordinator, Jaire, provided an update on Alexander's condition, stating that the cornerback was feeling better on Friday. The ankle injury comes as a setback for Alexander, who is considered one of the key players in the Packers' defense. Known for his tenacity and strong coverage skills, Alexander's absence could have an impact on the team's upcoming matchups. The coaching staff and medical team will closely monitor Alexander's progress and determine his availability for the upcoming games. In the meantime, the Packers will rely on their depth chart to fill in for Alexander's absence if necessary. It is important to note that the Packers adhere to strict guidelines and policies regarding player safety and rehabilitation. The team will ensure that Alexander receives the necessary treatment and rehabilitation to help him recover and return to the field as soon as possible. Despite this setback, the Packers remain optimistic about Alexander's recovery and are hopeful that he will make a speedy return to the lineup. The cornerback's absence in Thursday's practice highlights the need for other players to step up and fill the void left by his injury. As the season progresses, the team will continue to closely monitor Alexander's progress and provide updates on his condition.